Hey everyone, my name is Connor McLean. Here's my capstone introduction. A little bit about myself. I'm from Fort Collins, Colorado, and after serving 4 years in the Coast Guard, I came back home to finish my degree at CSU in journalism and media communication, and I'm currently in my last semester, really excited to graduate this December. Currently living in Germany, close to my fiance's family, but we're heading back to Fort Collins at the start of the new year. In terms of job searching, recently I've been using companies such as Indeed, LinkedIn, and Handshake, looking in job fields such as marketing, advertising, copy editing. My personal brand, I base it off of the video we watched in this first module, how to define yourself and amplify your skills without sounding like a broken record compared to everybody else. So the first version of my personal brand is Coast Guard veteran and journalism media communication major who thrives in creative settings and is interested in graphic design, web design, media communication, and copy editing. In terms of career goals, I would really enjoy working with a company doing either digital or print media marketing or advertising. Graphic design, I enjoy working with the Adobe suite, and I really like to write, so maybe some kind of copy editing. From this class, I want to take away what employers are looking for in the 21st century, how to better market myself and my skills, and how to tell my story without selling myself short but not sounding boastful or anything. So yeah, excited for the semester.